Hello, good evening, class 11 students, atomic structure. Today we are going to discuss the line spectrum of hydrogen. Line spectrum of hydrogen. When hydrogen in a discharge tube and in a low pressure, hydrogen is taken in a discharge tube and low pressure is created there, and it is electrically through cathode and anode electric current is passed. So this is electrical discharge. So after that the spectrum emits the light rays, the emission of rays there, and if we study that the rays emitted by hydrogen by exciting, when the hydrogen excited, then that is called lines are observed. That is called the line spectrum of hydrogen. That is called the line spectrum of hydrogen. And this is the, because this is the, after igniting the hydrogen, this is the emission type. So emitted, the spectrum is emitted. So this is, we may call this the hydrogen emission line spectrum. Hydrogen emission line spectrum. And when this is observed, this is studied in the spectroscope, then, and we study this in the on which the rays are absorbed, that is the fallen. So we study that, and we see that the number of lines are obtained. We see the number of lines, and those lines are collectively called, that is the series, line series. So first of all, one scientist observed only one series. He discovered one series in the visible region. So that is called, that the name of the scientist is Balmer. So on his name, he named those line series, that is the Balmer series. And according to that, on the series of the rays, the lines, he given a formula, and that formula is called Balmer formula. That formula is called, because it is given by the Balmer, so that formula is called Balmer formula, and that series is known as Balmer series. So that formula is the reciprocal of wavelength. That is wave number. That is also called wave number. That is equal to 1,09,677 under bracket 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square cm centimeter inverse. So this is the formula given by Balmer in order to obtain the wavelength. So we can find out, this is the region of the visible region, and this is the spectrum, this is called the Balmer series. So we can find out the wavelength by using this formula, this particular formula, that is called Balmer formula. So where n, that is n. So n is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. N is not equal to 1. N is not equal to 2. N is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and infinite. So first let us see the first number, that is n is equal to 3. So if n is equal to 3, and if we calculate on this formula, we find out the wavelength is 656 nanometer. So this is the Balmer series, and this is the first ray. So the wavelength of this first ray, that is the 656 nanometer. So if in this formula, if n is equal to 4 taken, then we get the wavelength 486 nanometer. So this wavelength is 486 nanometer. So if n is equal to 5, then we get 434 nanometer. So this is 434 nanometer. Like that, if n is equal to 6, the wavelength is 410 nanometer. So in this way, we see that there is a much gap between these two. So here the wavelength is 486, 656, and here is the 486. So there is much gap with comparison to here is 434 and then 410. That's why these rays are becoming closer, because the difference in wavelength is not so much, that is less, but the difference in wavelength is much in this. That's why this is the gap is here, much gap is here with comparison to this. So this is Balmer series, and the first ray is red and the last ray is violet. So this is the visible region, so this is called Balmer series. Now later on, one more series was observed by the scientist discovered the Lyman. So this Lyman, and he discovered the one series that is in UV region, ultraviolet region. So this was named as Lyman series. Like that, afterwards, in infrared region, 3 series were discovered by the scientists Parsons, Brackett and Fuld. So according to the name of the scientist, the name of this series were kept. So this is the Parsons series, this is Brackett series, and this is Fuld series. So in this way, we see that the line spectrum, all these are lines. So all this line spectrum, this is the line spectrum of hydrogen, line emission spectrum of hydrogen, and in this there are the Lyman series, Balmer series, Parsons series, Brackett series, and Fuld series. These are the names of the scientists who discovered this series. So this is the line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Now there was a similarity. There is similarity between these series. All these series are different, and the region is also different. This is Balmer series in visible region, Lyman series in ultraviolet region, whereas Parsons series, Brackett series, and Fuld series, they are in infrared region. But there are some similarity. There is some similarity in this series. So according to that similarity, this was observed by the one scientist Rydberg. So Rydberg was the scientist who observed that there are different series, there is similarity in the series. So on the basis of observation by Rydberg, Rydberg gave the formula for all the series 1 by lambda is equal to 1,09,677 under bracket 1 by n1 square minus 1 by nt square cm centimeter inverse. So this is the Rydberg formula. And this Rydberg formula is for all, that is general formula for all the series, whereas Balmer gave the formula only for Balmer series. Now let us see this Rydberg formula. In this Rydberg formula, two are here they are used, that is one is N1 and the second is N2. N1 is 1, 2, 3 onward up to infinite, and N2 is equal to N1 plus 1, N2 plus 1. Means अगर हम N1 लेंगे, N1 अगर 1 लेते हैं तो N2 हमारा 2 होगा, N1 अगर 2 लेते हैं तो N2 3 होगा, 1 एक्स्ट्रा हो जाएगा, 1 प्लस हो जाएगा एडिशन. So if N1 is taken, so this is in case of Lyman series, N1 is taken, this is the case of Lyman series. So if you see that in ultraviolet region, this N1 is 1, and Balmer series N2 is taken, Balmer series. So if N2 is 2, so this is Balmer series. If N1 is 3, then this is the Parsons series. And if N1 is 4, this is Brackett series. If N1 is 5, then this is Fuld series. So according to this N1, N2, N1, the value of N1, this is the series. So according to that, if N1 is 1, then N2 will be here in this Rydberg formula, N2 will be N1 plus 1. So N1 we have taken 1, so N2 will be 2. 1 plus 1, so 2, it will start from N2 will start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in case of this is in case of Lyman series, and in case of N2, this is the Balmer series. So Balmer series, if N1 is taken 2, so 2 plus 1 for value of N2, it will be 3. So it will be start 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So if N1 is 3, that is in case of Parsons series. In that case, N2 will be 3 plus 1, that will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, in case of bracket series, N1 is 4. So, N2 will be 4 plus 1, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. So, in case of Fund series, N1 is 5. So, N2 will be 5 plus 1, that is 6, 7, 8, 9. In this way, we see that the Balmer series is a special case of Rydberg formula. Balmer formula is a special case of Rydberg formula. Rydberg formula is general formula for all the series, whereas Balmer formula is only for Balmer series. Balmer formula is only for Balmer series, and Rydberg formula is general formula for all these series. So, this is all about the line spectrum of हाइड्रोजन एटम. मैं एक बार और फिर आपको समराइज कर रहा हूं कि जब हाइड्रोजन एटम को डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब में लो प्रेशर में इलेक्ट्रिक डिस्चार्ज कराया जाता है तो रेज एमिट होता है. वो रेज चूंकि एमिशन टाइप होता है और उसमें लाइंस निकलता है, लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम बनता है, इसीलिए इसको हाइड्रोजन लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम या हाइड्रोजन एमिशन लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम कहते हैं. जिसको सबसे पहले और उस पैटर्न को हम लोग लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन कहते हैं, और जिसको सबसे पहले ऑब्जर्व किया, डिस्कवर किया बामर ने, और बामर ने अपने नाम पर उस सीरीज को, उस लाइंस को कहा कि ये बामर सीरीज है और ये विजिबल रीजन में होता है, जिसका पहला रेड होता है, लास्ट वायलेट होता है. और उसने बामर ने फॉर्मूला दिया, ये फॉर्मूला है 1 by lambda is equal to 1,09,677 1 by t square minus 1 by n square centimeter inverse, whereas n is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. और इसी पर n is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 पुटअप करने पर हमारा वैल्यू निकलता है इस वेवलेंथ का 656 नैनोमीटर, 486 नैनोमीटर, 434 नैनोमीटर, लाइक दैट. तो ये गैपिंग, चूंकि ये ज्यादा दोनों का वैल्यू में अंतर आता है, डिफरेंस आता है, इसीलिए ये डिस्टेंस जो ऑब्जर्व होता है, ये लाइन में दोनों में काफी डिस्टेंस रहता है. बाकी ये जो सीरीज है, ये हमारा लैम्डा का, वेवलेंथ का जो डिफरेंस होता है वो कम होते चला जाता है, इसलिए ये लाइन हमारा क्लोज होते चला जाता है. इसको हम लोग बामर सीरीज कहते हैं. लेटर ऑन बाद में लीमन ने अल्ट्रावायलेट रीजन में इसी तरह का सीरीज डिस्कवर किया और अपने नाम पर उसने किया लेमन सीरीज, और इंफ्रारेड रीजन में पार्सन ने अपने नाम पर उस तरह का सीरीज डिस्कवर किया, इसको पार्सन सीरीज दिया. ब्रैकेट नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने उसको सीरीज को डिस्कवर किया, जो अपने नाम पर ब्रैकेट सीरीज का नाम दिया. फुंड नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने उसको अपने नाम पर वो डिस्कवर किया, तो उसको अपने नाम पर फुंड सीरीज दिया गया. और रिडबर्ग नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि ये सारे सीरीज अलग अलग हैं, अलग अलग रीजन में हैं, लेकिन सारे सीरीज में, लाइन सीरीज में एक सिमिलरिटी है. और उसी सिमिलरिटी को उसने जो फॉर्मूला दिया 1 by lambda is equal to 1,09,677 1 by n1 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 by n2 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स, जिसमें n1 का वैल्यू 1, 2, 3, 4 इनफाइनाइट और n2 का वैल्यू n1 प्लस 1. तो उस आधार पर हमने जब n1 का 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पुटअप किया तो n1 हमारा लीमन सीरीज होता है, n2 बामर सीरीज में आता है, n3 पार्सन सीरीज में आता है, n4 ब्रैकेट सीरीज में आता है, n5 फुंड सीरीज में आता है. और n2 का वैल्यू जो हमारा ये 2, 3, 4, 2 के 1 प्लस 1, तो ये 2 से स्टार्ट होता है. n1 में बामर सीरीज के केस में n1 को हमने 2 लिया है, तो ये 3 से स्टार्ट होगा, 3, 4, 5. पार्सन सीरीज में ये n1 को 3 लिया है, इसलिए n2 जो है 4, 5, 6 से स्टार्ट होगा, n प्लस 1. और ब्रैकेट सीरीज में हमने n1 को 4 लिया है, इसलिए हमारा n2 5, 6 ऑनवर्ड स्टार्ट होगा. उसी तरह से जब फुल सीरीज में हमने n1 को 5 लिया है तो हमारा n2 6, 7, 8, 9 ये स्टार्ट होता है. और इसी फॉर्मूला पर हम लोग देखते हैं कि जब n1 2 लेते हैं तो ये आपका जो वैल्यू होता है ये हमारा मैच कर जाता है जो हमने बामर सीरीज, बामर फॉर्मूला से जो हमने जो वेवलेंथ जो निकाला था कि ये सबसे पहला वेवलेंथ जब 3 हमने पुटअप किया था तो यहाँ पर ये 3 आ रहा है, इसलिए ये बामर सीरीज को हम लोग जो रिडबर्ग फार्मूला का एक स्पेशल केस मानते हैं. रिडबर्ग फार्मूला एक जनरल फार्मूला है जो कि सभी सीरीज के लिए है. जबकि बामर फॉर्मूला ओनली फॉर बामर जो कि सीरीज के लिए है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिपर फॉर्मूला एंड बामर फॉर्मूला. So this is all about the line spectrum of hydrogen, emission line spectrum of hydrogen. So that's all. Thank you very much.